So far we have been learned about how to create a pin analysis and follow the others by using a home page, okay, and optimizing a page by using this one, as well as by using this arrow key and settings. Then one more option is that tune your home page, like whatever you have been created so far, you would like to turn off them any point of time, then you can go to tune your home page. Go to there. Okay, here 4 minutes back you have been created this particular post. You like to turn off that particular post, you can use this one button to turn off the that particular post. If you like to turn on again, you can turn on that particular post. Okay, history is nothing but so far whatever you have been done, it will be shown here. You can turn off any of them. You have been created things, you can turn off them any point of time by coming to a here tune your home page. Similarly, topics you have been followed by using this home page, business and home page. Those things, if you like to unfollow, select these topics and you can unfollow. Okay, you can start unfollow, like if you like to follow back, you can select here. Okay, so that you can follow or unfollow any of the interested topics any point of time. Okay, any point of time you can turn off your post or your boards also. This is the entire board. Within a board we have a different posts. Okay, you can turn off or turn on the any of the post by using a this home page. Tune your home page option here. Okay, again, if you like to log out from a account, you can use this one to log out, as well as you can add another account, another business page account here itself by using a add another account. This is how we have been created a Pinterest account, and we have been started pinning as well as analyzing a pins. We are calling it as a post or pins, and managing them as well as optimizing your profile. We have been learned the main use of this Pinterest account is to upload videos and photos or product images into a Pinterest account, so that we will be in a Google search images. In the sense, whenever someone searching for an image in a Google by typing a home decor or online education like that, your photos, whatever the images you have been uploaded, it will be there in a Google, so that you can be get a traffic from the other way to your website by using a Google image through Pinterest, or directly through the Pinterest. Users also can find your post, so that they can also visit your post you have been created, and they can click link you have been provided in that particular post. So that this is a one other way to reach a digital audience by using a social media. There is not that popular social media, but this also helps sometime to grow the business. That is nothing but a Pinterest business account.